Brooklyn Beckham wore a very expensive accessory as he filmed an episode of his cooking show with fiancée Nicola Peltz. The 22-year-old uploaded a new video showing him cooking a romantic Valentine's Day meal with Nicola, 27, but some fans were distracted by Brooklyn's pricey watch. 3. Brooklyn shared a new cooking video. 3. But some fans were distracted by his pricey watch. The eldest Beckham child could be seen wearing a Patek Phillipe Nautilus watch in rose gold, which retails for £295,000. Although slightly off with the price, one viewer commented, "Cos'll £0.5 million watch there." It was recently revealed that Brooklyn's 8-minute cooking show costs a staggering £74,000 an episode to make. Cooking with Brooklyn sees the aspiring chef rustle up some of his favorite dishes on Facebook Messenger's streaming service Watch Together. Dishes include a bagel stacked with hash browns, tortilla wraps and juicy steaks. His Facebook show reportedly has a crew of 62 people working on it, including a culinary producer, 5 cameramen and another 9 producers. A source told the New York Post, "It's unheard of. It's the sort of brewing you would expect on a big TV show." The photographer has no formal training when it comes to cooking, but Gordon Ramsay is a family friend who has taught Dad David many tricks over the years. And part of Brooklyn's show sees him receive lessons from world-famous chefs like Nobu Matsuhisa, the mastermind behind the Japanese restaurant Nobu. 3. His new cooking show costs a fortune to produce.